Ladies, gentlemen, and everything in between.
Oi, fuckos.
Today, I have an issue with my mirror falling off when I was driving to the Gold Coast for a beautiful day out, and it fell off, made a shattering sound, and actually scared a group of teenagers. So, I had a few options, and I chose to go backwards in time. Instead of adding more modern things to this car, I chose to go back to its original roots of the BMW 507. And if you know the BMW 507, Elvis owned one. It had a V8 in it, it lost money. Look it up. Anyway, I'm choosing to go backwards, so let's do that. Location of the mirror. I'm thinking it's got to be in the line of sight of the driver. So I'm going to look down the mirror and to where my eyes would be in the cabin to see which location I should put it in, and aesthetically too. So yeah, I'm thinking it's the third vent around here, and I will check the practicality of that. So I'm going to lay some tape over the top, then tape the mirror on, check the functionality, and see where to go from there. Look, confession. As much as I would like to do the Fender Mirrors, because I think it looks pretty cool, I will try one more option and replace the passenger one, the factory passenger mirror. I will take that off and check what that looks like, because I don't really want to patch up these holes either. So I'm trying to make less work for myself if possible. So I'm going to see. Okay, so I have come to this part with the new mirror. It's kind of hard to mount it, so I'm going to use this factory mount. So conventionally, this would go onto there, but I'm choosing to disregard this. Cut that off. Use the angle grinder as well to cut this off. So I have a flush mounting point. Then I'm going to mount the chrome mirror to this. I'm very fond of this idea because it's in the factory location. I'm not going to drill into that gorgeous bonnet that I have on the car right now. So I went to adjust the mirror and it clean popped out of its mounting point. The mirror attached to a spring, and the spring is double-sided taped on there. I do not recommend buying this. Do not do this. So I did not know. Okay, I thought it was kind of well made. I mean, this is stainless steel. This is actually stainless steel. I really don't know what the solution is here unless I modify and you know, put a mounting bracket, like a retainer back here, but still it's double-sided taped onto the back of the mirror. Shit, you know, and all that was holding it in is this seal. So please don't do this. Don't buy this. Okay, anyone. $170. Come on now. Come on. After heading out for a little bit and having a bit of clarity, I decided that I will persist with these mirrors. The glass here does come out. I cut the spring down so there's not as much tension. And once the mirror is fitted and in place, I will, with double-sided tape or something like that, or sealant or something, I'll angle these and set them in place so they're, you know, semi-permanent, or, you know, they're fixed. They're not going to go anywhere. And then the adjustment will come from right here. At the moment, I'm in the process of drilling and tapping this hole there lined up with the mounting point that I want to use, and I'll simply mark the other one, drill and tap it. I will find out how good of a grade this aluminium is. It looks like cast because of the way it is oxidized or bubbled up here, and it's affected the paint. After drilling and tapping these standard factory mounting brackets, the M5 Allen bolts fitted securely. a mirror that's kind of aesthetic. The only thing for me is the base is, you know, misaligned, and I had to mount it like that. Because of the holes that I threaded in, and as well for functionality. So maybe at a later stage I'll either mount them to the bonnet like intended, or make it another adapter that raises it up, raises the mirror upward and space it maybe about that. So, you know, better functionality and a bit better aesthetic. Yeah, but I'm not too concerned right now. It's okay. It's functional. I hope it doesn't fall out. Yeah, but that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.